So in this video, you learned how to use your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons as mice. So you have these two items that you received during the unboxing process, and these are the two attachments that you're going to use whenever you want to transform your Joy-Cons into mice. So once you've grabbed these two attachments, the next step is to detach the Joy-Cons from the console. To do that, you're going to go to the back and you're going to press on these buttons here that you can see on both sides, and you're going to press on the button, and when the Joy-Con pops out like that, you're going to just drag the Joy-Con out to disconnect it. Do the same thing on the other end, press on the button until it pops out, and then just drag it out so that it disconnects the Joy-Con. From here, the next step in order for you to use the Joy-Con as a mouse or as mice is to simply connect these attachments to the Joy-Cons. So you're going to grab the Joy-Cons and just connect to the attachment. You want this metallic part facing the bottom like this, and then you're just going to connect and then push in, so it should look something like that. So this attachment is for protection so that you have a more precise usage of the Joy-Con. You can go ahead and do the same thing on the other end. Ensure that this part is facing down and then just pop it in place. Like that. So now what you're going to do is just put the Joy-Cons as if they're mice facing downwards like that. And you'll notice that there's a mouse icon that has successfully appeared on the screen of your Switch 2 console. So you can see when I move the Joy-Con around as if I'm moving around a mice, you can see the mouse is also moving. You can do the same thing with the other Joy-Con. You can move it around and you can just go ahead and navigate through your console. If you want to select something, what you're going to do is just press on this very button at the top, which was previously R or L, depending on your choice, and that's what you're going to use to select something. So say, for example, you're opening settings, you're going to press on R or L to select that option. If you want to go back, it's still the same process. You're going to press on B as you previously would when the Joy-Cons are connected to the console. And so that's how you can select and navigate back with the Joy-Cons. If you want to go to home, say for example now you're in settings again. If you want to go to home, you're going to press on this home button as well, and it will still take you back to the home screen. And so what you're going to do is just use those same instructions to navigate through your Nintendo Switch 2 console. You can also choose to use these mice in supported games. So if, for example, if there's a game that supports you playing with the console as mice, then you can go ahead and game like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.